Hello friends, you all know that the solar panel works with the help of sunlight, and is it possible that it can also works with the help of artificial light? So here is the answer. In this video we will perform an experiment in which we see that the solar panel can works with artificial light or not. Okay, so some apparatus is required. Okay, this is a solar panel plate of 12 volt and 20 watt. For checking the output voltage of solar panel, some LEDs are required of 12 volt. Okay, so one multimeter is required to check the output voltage of solar panel. To perform the experiment, some artificial light source are required. Okay, so we use these bulbs to perform this experiment. Okay, so this is a large bulb and this is a small bulb. One holder is also required. For checking the output voltage, we use these LEDs. Okay, these are both 12 volt LEDs. This is the DC motor. We can also use it for output checking. So this is the multimeter. So now we can check the output voltage of solar panel. So the red wire is the positive wire and black wire is the negative wire. Okay, set the multimeter on 20 volt DC for checking the output voltage of solar panel. So the amount of natural light on solar panel is less. The output voltage is 3 point something. Okay, when the amount of natural light on solar panel is high, so the voltage becomes 12.36 approximate. Okay, so now we will apply a LED on the output of solar panel. Okay, so now we can see the result by applying LEDs, negative on negative side and positive on positive side. Okay, otherwise the LED does not glow. Okay, on less light the LEDs are not glowing anymore. When the light intensity increases, okay, the lights also starts glowing. Okay, there are only two LEDs are glowing because the intensity of light is less, because we are in the room. When we go outside, the light increases. Okay, now we go outside. See, the all LEDs are glowing. Okay, so in the natural light all LEDs are glowing. So now we will perform an experiment on natural light, that these LEDs glowing or not. So this is the artificial light source. So now see, these LEDs are glowing or not. Okay, see, these two LEDs are glowing. When the artificial light source starts glowing, the LEDs are also starts glowing. See, all LEDs starts glowing. Okay, the glowness varies according to the intensity of light on solar panel. Okay, when the intensity increases, the voltage also increases. So this is the voltage due to some natural plus artificial light source. In this experiment, we also know that the solar panel works with artificial light, but the output voltage of artificial light source is not like a natural light source. The natural light source is much better than artificial light. Okay, so the current rating in artificial light is less. We also check the output voltage through multimeter. So the rating of voltage is 9 volt. including the load. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.